Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we continue with for the example of unsafe state. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Right. So at the time T1, T2 requests 3 resources. Okay, instead of 2. Okay. So when at this moment, okay, the currently available resources is 2. Okay. Because the current needs for all threads is already consume 10 resources, so the remaining is 2. Okay. So since we have 2 currently available resources, so we can allocate the resources to T1 because it still needs 2 remaining resources. Okay, after it terminates, it returns all the resources. So now our currently available resources is 4. Okay, when T0 make a request, okay, so since the current needs is 5, so the maximum needs that T0 may request is the remaining is 5. Okay. Okay, however, we cannot allocate the resources because we have insufficient, because the resources is unavailable. Okay. Okay, so that makes the condition or the scenario become unsafe. Okay, meaning that the system now is unsafe state. Okay. Alright. Then T2 make a request. Okay, since the current needs is 3, so it may request up to 6 more resources type. Okay, so we also cannot we can allocate the resources for T2. So T2 have to wait for the resource. Okay, so meaning that now the deadlock now the deadlock is happened. Okay, so that is the what it means by unsafe state and also the deadlock state. Yeah, right. So from this scenario, okay, we can conclude that if a system is in a safe state, meaning that there is no deadlocks. Okay, if a system in unsafe state, they may have a deadlock. Okay, there is a possibility of deadlock. Okay, so the avoidance algorithm, okay, ensure that a system will never enter an unsafe state. So we will discuss how avoidance algorithm can avoid the system to enter unsafe state. Okay, so this basic fact, okay, has been depicted in this figure. Okay, so we can state can be divided into safe and unsafe. Okay, so in unsafe, there is a possibility for deadlock to be happen. Okay, that is the example of for safe, unsafe, and a deadlock state. Okay? So inshallah in the next video we will learn the first avoidance algorithm, that is resource allocation graph. Thank you for watching, guys.